What is happening in the king of the planet called Jupiter? NASA found out that something wrong in the Jupiter.
All them shock even me after that discovery.
When it comes to Jupiter, how would we don't know the Great Red Spot? This the largest planet in our solar system, and it's post a violated storm, and raging it since then. We don't know how long it's been there. It's been raging in there since Robert Hooke discovered it with his telescope, back in 1660. Over the years, several missions had explored this mighty storm in Jupiter. During their brave flybys, such as Voyager 1, Voyager 2, even the Cassini spacecraft. From Earth, the Hubble Space Probe and the Hubble Space Station studies the mighty storm in Jupiter. Dina, from Hubble, suggested that the storm is shrinking. The storm was once big enough to engulf 3 size planets. Today, it can fit just one Earth, but not just that, the storm had been there in the last couple of decades. Hubble space data in 2008 to 2020 showed that the wind speed in the edges of the Great Red Spot increases to 8%. The entire cyclone had changed its shape from oval going to circular, making the detailed observation in the Great Red Spot from Earth is challenging. Even the biggest telescope in the Earth, or the one in space, can prove it to some extent. To really see what's happening inside the storm, we need to visit Jupiter and make continuous observation. And this is exactly Juno spacecraft has been doing. Juno spacecraft flies to Jupiter after 65 years. It's been orbiting the planet and continuously orbiting the magnetosphere of Jupiter, even the radiations belt or the composition of its moons. Juno have a mission and a daring assignment. Jupiter deadly radiation extremely difficult for the spacecraft. Jupiter is a very artistic planet. And all of the planets in our solar system, it almost got the most structures. The texture combination of colors, even the more tiny composition of its architectural form. Even the scientists shocked to this beautiful creations. Jupiter got problems right now. Even the scientists and the community behind this shock in what they have recently discovered in the Jupiter surface. What is happening in Jupiter? It is bad or some sort of good news. NASA studied it and finds that Jupiter had suffered warming. Is Jupiter had colds or fever right now? That is the question in my mind, and only NASA can answer it. If something happens in the mighty Jupiter, it can also affect the planets inside our solar system. Even our Earth has nothing to do with it if it comes. But now nothing had to worries because it's normal in Jupiter. And that's all for this video. And if NASA got new discovery, immediately I'm the first will know, and of course we'll make a video to share it to you guys. And make sure to leave a like and comment your thoughts this video, and subscribe to our channel to notify you if we had a new video. And thank you for watching.
Welcome to the AEG Entertainment.